How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 68 Camaro done in Matador Red, black interior, super nice car. Got show quality paint on the car. See, the bumper's all been re-chromed. The grille looks like new. It's got your chin spoiler. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Got a 327 in it with 4-barrel. It's got dual exhaust. Got disc brakes up front, power steering. It's got the factory rally wheels. Tell you, it's just a super nice car, folks. So all the taillight housings have been replaced, rear bumper. Car super slick, straight down the sides. Tell you, I really like these Camaros with the chrome on the top of the door there. Just adds a nice bit of trim to it. Nice little 327, been rebuilt, got aluminum intake, Holley carb. It's got your power steering. Just very nice car, folks. See how nice and clean all the door jambs are. Tell you, the gentleman that did the paint work on the car, super nice job. Headliner's new. The front and rear seats are the originals and they're in excellent shape. No splits or anything. Dash is very nice. See, the jambs are real nice and clean. Trunk's all really nice. Got the original center console with the correct staple shifter in it. See, they had this car all apart when they painted it. Very nicely done. Nice professional show quality. We'll fire it up. Got the Z28 finned aluminum valve covers on it. Just looks real nice. Got a nice sound out the back, got a mild cam in it. Backup lights all work, brake lights. Just a very nice car. Get in this car, drive it. Go to your local shows, have a good time, your cruises. You check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.